Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find competitor keywords with vidIQ. Before we start, if you don't have a vidIQ account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to unlock premium vidIQ features for only $1 for your first month. It's the easiest way to test vidIQ on your own YouTube channel and follow this tutorial step by step. So how would I do it? Okay, so basically I'm going to go ahead and find the search bar and type down any video idea. For example, this channel right here is a search-based channel. Okay, so topics includes how to fix or fixes. For example, how to fix a blue screen of death or UEFI secure boot Valorant. You just click on it. Now, this specific channel only got 1.5K subscribers. Now, my competitors should go at least 5,000 subscribers and below. So let's go and find some channels right here which got 5,000 subscribers and below. So as you can see here, this is where vidIQ comes in handy because you'll be able to see the subscriber count. So this one, for example, you can just click on the video. Now the keyword right here is Vanguard requires secure boot to be enabled in order to play Valorant. So you can copy this, okay, or just this one. Open up another YouTube tab, and this is how I would do it. Okay, look for this specific topic and you will have a ton of what? Videos with the same exact topic here as well. Okay, or you can just go back and use this specific competitor, click on it, and you'll have a ton of videos right here that you could go ahead and make. For example, under videos, then the latest, you would go ahead and find videos right here that got outliers and views. So let's say, for example, this current video, recent video, got 1 million views and posted a week ago. So you should go ahead and copy this specific title and make another video or updated video. Okay? That's basically it. That's how easy it is to find competitor keywords with vidIQ. Also, when you go ahead and go to vidIQ right here, click on under research. Here we have keywords. You can find multiple keywords here as well. Now, when you go ahead and go to competitors, right here, you'll find the top videos from your competitors listed in here. I'm not going to include my channel. So this one, you could make a video about this as well. This one, this one, this one. Okay? I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.